Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to merge two PDFs into just one. You can take two or more, but I have these two PDFs, so I will show you by merging these two. So you have to open your any browser, and then here you have to search merge PDF and hit enter. You will get so many websites, but I will use this first one, ilovepdf.com. Just click on this website and then click here and select your PDFs. So first click on the first PDF and then hit control and then click on the next PDF and then click on open. Here you can see both the PDF files are uploaded. Now you can rearrange this PDF files by dragging this one and then just click on this merge PDF. So it will take some time and then you can download your PDF file. So you can see download has started. And this is the merged PDF file here.